Hi everyone. Today our topic is simple telephone communication. Actual telecommunication systems are classified three different methods. They are simplest mode, which transfer the information is only one way. That's why it is called simplest mode. And other one is half duplex mode, which is used for to transfer the information two ways. Next one is full duplex mode, which is transfer the information from sender to receiver and receiver to sender simultaneously. So telecommunication method is mainly classified three types. First one is simplest mode, second one is half duplex mode, third one is full duplex mode. First method is simple telecommunication mode or simplest mode. In the simplest form of telephone circuit, there is a one-way communication involving two entities. Two entities means which is using microphone and earphones. Microphones are used for to convert the voice signals to the electrical signals, and earphones are used to convert the electrical signal to voice signals. So there is a one-way communication involving two entities, one receiving and other one is talking. So the related diagram is seen below. A simplex telephone circuits which is involving microphone and earphone, balancing inductor and voltage devices. This is the second method of telecommunication circuit, that is a half duplex telephone circuit. Half duplex telephone circuit. In half duplex telephone circuit, which is used for to transmit the information from sender to receiver and receiver to sender, both sides, that means two sides. In first way we are using only one microphone and one earphone, that means it is a one-way transmission like radios. In radios we are only transmitting information, simultaneously we are not contact to the subscribers. But in second method half duplex mode we are using two earphones and two microphones. E equal to earphone, M equal to my microphone. So microphones are mainly used for voice or speech signals are converted is in the form of voice to analog, digital, voice to digital. Earphones are used for to convert the information electrical to voice. So these formula based the data communication will be transmitted exchanges with the help of subscribers. By using subscribers we can easily transmit the information from subscriber A to B or sender to receiver. This is a second method of simple telephone communication. And third method is full duplex mode. Third method is full duplex mode. In full duplex mode is the examples of smart mobile phones which is transmitting information from sender to receivers or source to destination by using different electronic devices. At the same time we are also using the internal parameters of microphone and earphones. Once again I will repeat, microphones are used for to convert the voice or speech signal to the electrical signals. Earphones are used for to convert the information digital to analog or electrical to voice. The common operation of both simplex telephone circuit or half duplex circuit or full duplex circuit. The internal operation of both circuits is same. Now we are discussing the all individual or all three telephone operations we are seeing. So the operation, the most commonly used microphone is a carbon microphone. Microphone is a carbon microphone. Generally we are using any circuit, we are using microphones and earphones. So microphone is manufactured by carbon microphones. Carbon microphone. Carbon microphones do not produce high fidelity signals, but it gives out strong electrical signals at acceptable quality levels for telephone conversations. Carbon microphones do not produce high fidelity signals, but it gives out strong electrical signals at acceptable quality levels for telephone conversations. In carbon microphones, carbon granules conduct electricity and resistance of a box. In carbon microphones, carbon granules conduct electricity and resistance of a box, which is depends on electricity, which is depends on electricity. One side of the box cover is flexible and is mechanically attached to a diaphragm. When sound waves impinge on the diaphragm, it vibrates, causing the carbon granules to compress or expand the voltage levels. By using diaphragm, it will vibrate and expanding the or compress the voltage levels. By using carbon microphones, which will internally using diaphragms vibrates or expands or compress the voltage levels. At the situation, the signals will be changes. When we are heating or changing the voltage levels of diaphragm, the voltage levels will be either compressed or expanding. At the situation, the signal conversion will be started. So in this process will be main depends on the behavior of diaphragm. Diaphragm will be changes the data information. Data information will changes. At the situation, the signals will be converted either electrical to voice or voice to electrical. For example, we are taking any circuit, any telephony circuit. There are three methods: simplex mode, half duplex mode, full duplex mode. In any method, internally we are using carbon microphones that will be depends on diaphragm. When we are heating or when we are mechanically attached a diaphragm, or when we are changing the behavior of diaphragm, then automatically voltage levels will be changes either compressed or expanding. At the situation, the given information will changes either voice to electrical or electrical to voice. So this is the process of simple telecommunication. In simple telecommunication method, we are using three major methods: simplest mode, half duplex mode, and full duplex mode. Simplest mode example is radios, half duplex mode is example land phones, full duplex mode example smartphones. And also there are so many advantages of telecommunications. Nowadays we are all using mobile phones or telephones to conversation of data information or to exchange of data information one place to another place, one state to another state, one country to another country. That means within a seconds we can easily share the information throughout the world by using different internal electronic devices. Without internal electronic devices, we can't generate the information or we can't convert the information. So, in this process, we are also using electronic exchange offices or telephone exchange offices or tracking systems, antennas, radars, earth stations. So, these are all more helpful to share the information between devices to the conversion of the data information. So in this process will more helpful to future communications. And also the modern telecommunication is discovered by Alexander Graham Bell at Bell Labs USA in the year of 1875. He is also named by the father of modern telecommunication, or he is a father of telecommunication. So this is the simplest operation of telecommunication devices. So in this majorly using microphones and earphones, and also internally using diaphragms and carbon microphones. Thank you.